In this lesson, we're going to see how to use a battery-powered, Bluetooth-enabled blood pressure cuff called Qardio Arm to measure blood pressure and send those readings directly into the Health app. So here on the iPhone, I have the Qardio app installed. Launch it and we have a pretty simple interface. I just need to tap the Start button to activate the cuff and begin taking a reading. But first, let's take a look at a couple settings here in the Qardio app. First, I want to make sure Integrate with Apple Health is activated here. If not, the blood pressure readings won't be automatically imported to the Health app. We can also enable things like Places, which will save the location the reading was taken from, and Face ID for security. Below, we can set how many measurements will be taken each time we tap the Start button. Taking multiple measurements will still provide a single result, but it's going to be an average of the 2 or 3 blood pressure readings taken. For this example, I'm just going to do a single measurement. So let's go back out to the Start screen. Notice that I have the Qardio Arm strapped to my upper arm, with the white body of the device sitting on top of my arm just above my elbow. The strap just needs to be tight enough to hold it in place. Don't make it any tighter than it needs to be, or it's going to feel like your arm's getting crushed when it inflates. So let's get started. The cuff will begin to inflate, and we'll start seeing the readings occur on the iPhone as that happens. You don't really need to pay attention to this until you feel the cuff deflate. So while this is occurring, we can just relax. The entire process will take less than a minute. Once the air is released, the official measurement is going to appear on the iPhone. Notice that we can add a note down here as to how I felt or what I'd been doing previously, like relaxing or working out. Swipe left and we can see the measurement on a results chart that will show whether the reading was in normal, high, or hypertension range. Now in the Health app, that measurement was automatically imported and added to all the previously recorded data for blood pressure. Notice in Data Sources and Access, the Qardio app has been added. So the Qardio Arm can be a quick and easy way to get accurate blood pressure readings that are automatically imported to the Health app.